Got it here another 1909 or 1912 coin sorter, but this one is a lot more complete compared to what I showed you before, and also it has the cage boxes on the back. You see how there's the cage boxes? Let me turn it around. This right here will be the coin collector. You see, you just drop it into your hand or into some kind of basket. That's how it's going to look like in the back. So this is just way better coin sorter. You can put some coins in here, drop some, and then spin it. And you see how all these coins inside here on 2 layers. And if it's double stacked, this will drop them. 1, 1, 2. Put some more. That's pretty cool. Look how well it does. So fast. Okay, I'm gonna just drop the rest. Boom. And like $35 sorted it super fast. Let me take this off so you guys can see. Now all I have to do, looks like one somehow went through, is put some kind of tray under and push the coins in. That's kind of cool that this tray is deep enough to push the coins with. You see, all 1 cent. So one more time. Boom. All the 10 cents separated. So reliable. All the 5 cents. And the quarters over here. Boom. All the quarters. Only quarters. That's pretty amazing.